the sun we find our way, slipping through the golden rays. A whisper floats on ocean air as waves lap up our care. Taking steps on sandy shores where footprints dance and echo calls. Laughter like a melody in the breeze, it gently falls. With friends beside, we wander wide, the island open, ours to claim. Dona, Cascade, the water glows in sunlight's warm embrace. We play, find your heart where the wild winds roam. The distant roar brings us home. Each moment like a chains of light, glistening dreams in plain sight. We are X-Factor adventures, living for the thrill. With the hot sun kissing our skin, we chase, we laugh and feel. The waterfalls sing us a tune, deep and distant they roar. In this paradise, so let's explore, let's dive and discover more. Share the stories like woven threads, weaving tales while the sunlight spreads. The world fades softly, it's just us here, under the palms, friendship near. From sunset shades to starlit nights, we find our truth in island sights. Carried by the whisper, souls alight, dancing shadows hold us tight. Oh, we are X-Factor adventures, living for the thrill. With the hot sun kissing our skin, we chase, we laugh and feel. The waterfalls sing us a tune, deep and distant they roar. In this paradise, oh let's explore, let's dive and discover more.